What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. So I'm working on the staircase stringers, getting everything lined out. Had to do a few more modifications and go up a little bit. I went in and did all my measurements today at the container, so I know exactly what I'm looking at. So this is one of the stringers that's going to be on the container. So I wanted to give you a update of how it's going to look as far as how I'm laying it out and getting things going. This one is actually, the stringer is going to be 174 inches. So that's pretty much what it's going to be. So that's what I got going on, laying everything out. So my next step is to order my pieces. So I'm gonna go to Walmart. They have some spray you can spray down and keep your line solid. So I'm gonna spray it down to keep my line solid, and it's easy to trace it. Hold on.